Hey guys, it's Adriana here from AdDoLab, and today I'm here to talk about some ways that you can promote your products on your Shopify store. And this is using low budget tactics. So today I'm going to talk about one strategy specifically, and that is getting yourself an HTML sitemap. I know it sounds complicated, but don't worry, we'll go over why you would want one and how you can get one. So why would you want an HTML sitemap, and what is it? So an HTML sitemap, first of all, is basically just another page on your Shopify store, and this page will be a directory of sorts. So it'll list every product that you have on your Shopify store and all your collections, your blogs, your articles. It's really nice because it serves as a search landing page for customers. They can go to this page and they can find anything that they want on your store without having to search around. You will lower your bounce rate this way, because if people can't find what they're looking for, they're most likely going to leave your website and say, all right, I'm done with this, I can't find what I'm looking for. Another reason you would want to use an HTML sitemap is because it helps with discoverability. So this means a customer comes to your store searching for tea, for example, and then they see that you also sell teacups. So it's a great way to get people to buy more. It's a way to upsell. They can see new products. They can kind of circulate around your website. So this is a really great way to just increase sales. And another cool thing about an HTML sitemap is you can put a link down in your footer that just says something like sitemap or list of products, and people can easily click on that and then go to this page. So another great reason that you'd want an HTML sitemap is specifically because it helps with ranking and Google SEO. So if your search engine optimization isn't the greatest, or you just want to improve it, having an HTML sitemap can really do wonders for your website. So one way that it can increase your SEO is because Google oftentimes comes to your website and it'll crawl your website, and then it'll index what you have there. So if you don't have an HTML sitemap, it won't be able to index per se, but if you do, it will up your chances of boosting your ranking, because Google can easily see all your products just systematically itemized. All your collections, all your pages, they love this. They love a hierarchy, they love organization, they love when you structure your content in a really easy to read manner. So it works great for humans because they can read it, and it also works great for search engines because they can crawl and index it. So these are lots of reasons why you would want to have an HTML sitemap for your Shopify store. Next, we're going to talk about how can you get one. So here at AdDoLab, we saw that there was a need for an HTML sitemap for Shopify stores, and we decided to create our own app, and it's called Sitemap Builder. So basically, Sitemap Builder will automatically build this HTML sitemap specifically for your Shopify store, and it works right out of the box, and it stylizes it according to your current theme. So it'll look just like the rest of your store, and you don't have to do anything. There's no coding involved. You don't have to do much. You just click the install button and it'll just perfectly pop up. So if you're interested in getting an HTML sitemap for your store, definitely click the link below. I'll put it in the description box and you can take a look at it. We offer a free trial so you can see if you like it or not. So that's it for today, guys. I hope I explained HTML sitemaps pretty well and that you have a better understanding of why you would want one for your Shopify store. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time with more Shopify merchant tips. Take care.